Hi, this is Clarissa, and today we're going to be doing a magic circle workout and our mat, trying to open up some fun stuff within our bodies. Short, simple, and sweet. Here we go. So I'll move this. Hi, my name is Clarissa, and today we're going to be doing a magic circle workout. Of course, using the magic circle and our body just to open up some fun stuff in our body. This will be short, simple, and sweet. Go ahead and take your magic circle, place it onto the balls of your feet, and sit up super tall right onto the bony parts of your bottom. We'll start with our footwork. Push down and lift. Push and lift. Shoulders down. Give me 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place it right onto your arches. Wrap your toes around like a bird on a tree branch and push down and up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and remove the magic circle. Bring your arms out in front of you. Tuck the tailbone under and roll all the way back. Reach the arms back. Little half roll up and exhale. Push your feet into the floor and sit all the way up. And again, pull the magic circle apart as you roll down evenly through the spine. And then exhale, pull it apart. Push those feet down and come right back up. Last 3. Tuck it under, roll back. And then exhale, push your feet to the floor. Come up. Nice spinal articulation. Never hurt anyone, right? And 2, pull it apart. And 1 more. And then reach the arms back. Now, place the magic circle into the heel of your hand. Reach your fingertips up. We'll go right into a little exercise called scapular isolation. Lift the shoulder blades up, shoulder blades down. Lift the shoulder blades up, shoulders down. Really trying to melt your shoulder blades into the mat. 1 more, shoulder blades down. Exhale, curl up, and this is where we'll find our 100. Squeeze the circle in, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it going. Turn your circle up so that way your right hand's on top. Yeah, in 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the other way. Keep squeezing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make your fingers face each other in 2, 3, 4, 5, out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bicep curl, bend, 2, 3, 4, 5, straighten, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend and straighten. Last 1, bend and hold. Take the circle. Place it right where your head and neck meet. You're right around your occipital bone, okay, slightly above the occipital bone, and lay your head all the way down. Now straighten your right leg out long, and then exhale, curl up halfway, and then come back down. Switch. Exhale, find that nice spine articulation, and then come back down, and we switch. Exhale, curl, inhale, lower, and switch. Last time, curl, and then lower and switch. Now, rotate your ribs towards the left, and then come back center. Rotate your ribs towards the right, shoulders down, and come back. Rotate left and center. Rotate right and center. 3 more, my friends. Rotate left and center and right. Final set. Let's go left and center, and then right and center. Keep your head down. Grab the magic circle and bring your arms up towards the ceiling. Shoulder blades pull down, pull the circle apart. Exhale, bring the arms down so the circle, or your knees go in between the circle, and then lift up. Exhale, inhale. Let's find some bridging here. Tuck under and lift, and then lower. And exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. 4 more, exhale. Inhale. Last 3, lift and lower. 2 more, lift and lower. Last time, lift, hold it here for 3, 2, 1. And lower everything back down. Straighten out your legs, flex your feet. Exhale, curl up. We'll do a chair-like exercise called the ab press. I'm going to scoot myself back, flexing the feet. Bring your arms out in front of you and place the heel of your hand onto the circle. Okay, wrap your fingers around and pull it apart. Exhale, round and push down, tucking the chin in towards the chest and opening up the shoulder blades. And then inhale, stack the spine up, bone by bone. And again, exhale, find that nice posterior tilt of the pelvis, push down. And then inhale, rise up. 4 more. Exhale. Inhale. Last 3. Keep pulling the circle apart. And up. One more time. And up. Now I'm going to turn to face you, but I'm still going to be in a similar position. So legs are out wide. I'm going to place the circle over to my right side here. Place my hand onto my left leg, and then you'll start to feel the obliques start to activate. Roll your shoulder back and exhale, press. Inhale, release. Exhale, press. Inhale, release. Getting super tall. Exhale, press. Roll your shoulder back and release. Last 3, press and release. Last 2, press and release. One more time, press and hold. And now imagine you're bouncing a basketball, or dribbling rather. And dribble, dribble. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring it right in front of you. Same concept. And bounce. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Same thing. Here we go. Bounce it like you're bouncing a basketball. Use that left oblique or side oblique here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. Swing your legs around and place your chest down onto the floor. Place the circle, or place your hands rather on the bottom part of the circle. And let's have our heel of our hand next to each other. Push your big toe mounds into the floor to activate the back of the legs here, the knees. Go ahead and lift up and tilt the circle towards you. That's working the back of the shoulders. And then lower back down. And again, exhale, press and lift. Inhale, lower. 3 more. Exhale, press and lift. Inhale, lower. Last 2. Press and lift. And lower. One more time. Press and lift and hold. Now we add in some thoracic rotation. So keep your right hand right to the middle of the circle here. Place your left hand behind. And then we're just going to rotate our spine. Now you want to make sure you're not cranking the head, so keep your eyeballs down. Rotate towards the left and come back center. And again, keep your right arm still. Rotate and center. Keep both hip bones down. You would traditionally maybe do this on the spine corrector or ladder barrel. One more time and come back. We switch. Other side. Take your hand behind your head. Same concept. Rotate from the middle of your back and return. Check in. Are both hip bones anchored? And return. 3 more. Rotate and return. Last 2. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale and exhale. Place your hands down and then lower your head down. Now keep your elbows bent. Have a soft bend into them. Place the fingertips onto the circle here and try to have both your all 10 fingers on. Little tricep. Press and lift. Push down and lower. And again, push and lift and lower. Start to feel the back of the arms work rather. Push down, kind of like what you would maybe experience on the springboard. Push and return. Last 5. Push and return. Last 3. Push and return. Last 2. Push and return. One more. Push and hold. Now find little mini pumps. And pump. And pump. And pump. and pump. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come all the way down. Shake it on out. All right, take that same magic circle and staying onto the belly, place the heel of your hand onto the padded part. All right, eyeballs. Actually, let's have the circle slightly forward of our forehead here. And now push into the circle, lift up using your forearms, opening up the chest. So if it's facing you, it's just like this. And return. Push and lift and lower. And again, push and lift and lower. Last time, push and lift and hold that position. Maintain that for 3, 2, 1, and come back down. So now you had a good old bird's eye view. Take your right hand and place the heel of your hand onto the magic circle, okay? And then let's bend your knees and have your left hand onto the floor here. All right, we'll go right into a little bird dog here. So right knee in line with hip, all right? Go ahead and push down and extend your left leg. Hold it. Now, pushing down, bending the elbow, your left elbow rather, and then rising back up. And again, push and rise up. 4 more. Push, rise up. Last 3. Push, rise up. Make sure those hips are nice and square. 1 more. And then pull it all the way back in. Let's do the other side. I'm going to spin around to the other way so that way you get a better view. All right. Keep your arm extended. Right arm in line with your shoulder here. Here we go. We extend the right leg back and we come down, bend, and push. That's it. Down, push. Woo, start to feel that. Things are shooting off. Give me 4, 3, and 2, and 1, and then come all the way back. Take that same magic circle now. We're going to place it right underneath the tush. Okay? Working our glutes a little bit. All right? Put it right where the crease of your bottom and your glute and your thigh bone meet. Sit back and hold that. You should be able to find little mini pulses while we're here. Start to really try to separate the glutes out as wide as you can. Little mini pulses. Now tuck the tailbone under some. We go right into thigh stretch, but let's have our hands crossed or placed right onto our shoulders. Lean back and come up. And again, lean back, pull your tummy in, and come up. That's it. Lean back and up. Last 4 and 3 and 2, and then lean back and hold, tuck the tailbone under. Now we find little mini pulses for 8 and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then come all the way up. Take that magic circle, place your hands inside, separate the arms, and let's find a nice plank here. Keep pushing the circle apart, rock back, rock forward, rock back, rock forward for 8, 7, something short and sweet, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower your heels down, bend your knees, and sit back onto your heels for a nice child's pose. And thank you, my friends, so much. Hope that you enjoyed that nice, quick, and simple workout. Until next time.